Event type is Severe Thunderstorm Warning. For City of Toronto. For Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region. For Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. For Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region. For Vaughan, Richmond Hill, and Markham. For Belleville, Quinte West, Eastern Northumberland County. For Coburg, Colborne, Western Northumberland County. For Limsey, Southern Kawartha Lakes. For Peterborough City, Lakefield, Southern Peterborough County. At 7:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing very strong wind gusts and up to nickel-size hail. This severe thunderstorm is located from Newmarket to Lindsay, moving east at 45 km per hour. Hazard: 90 km per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Vaughan, Newmarket, Richmond Hill, Markham, Pickering, Oshawa, Lindsay, Peterborough, Belleville, Brantford, King City, Aurora, Beaverton, Uxbridge, Ajax, Port Perry, Whitby, Bowmanville, Trent Hills, and Trenton. Large hail can damage property and cause injury. Strong wind gusts can toss loose objects, damage weak buildings, break branches off trees, and overturn large vehicles. Severe thunderstorm warnings are issued when imminent or occurring thunderstorms are likely to produce or are producing one or more of the following: large hail, damaging winds, torrential rainfall. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. The Office of the Fire Marshal and Emergency Management recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to onstorm@canada.ca, or tweet reports using #ONStorm.